How to fix you need official WhatsApp to use this account problem. So if you want to fix you need official WhatsApp to use this account problem on your WhatsApp, then first make sure that you're using an official WhatsApp application, because if you go with your Play Store, make sure that you have an internet connection. Now if you go with your search and search for WhatsApp, then here you will have a lot of WhatsApp applications which looks similar, but they are not the official WhatsApp. So if you've downloaded or installed any unofficial WhatsApp application, then you can just simply go and delete your WhatsApp application. Tap and hold on to your WhatsApp and then go with delete or uninstall. After uninstalling, you can go with your Play Store. On your search, you can search for WhatsApp, and this is the official WhatsApp Messenger application. You just need to simply go and install this, and after installing, you can log into your WhatsApp and your problem will be fixed, which says you need official WhatsApp to use this account. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.